You're looking for a hair loss solution and you've heard of Folicrex. Then you got to the right video. I'll tell you everything you need to know about the Folicrex before you buy it. Do you feel depressed every time you see your reflection in the mirror? Looking at a line of receding hair and bald spots when you used to have a full head of hair is sure to give anyone a lot of stress and anxiety. Perhaps you have accepted the fact that you may or will soon be bald, or trying to hide this truth by covering it up with a hat or wig. In any case, the only way to properly cope with this situation is by using a foolproof supplement to regrowth hair that can help you restore the hair for good. In this review from the Best For You channel, we are looking at the Folicrex, a high-quality hair growth supplement that has effectively helped more than 154,000 men and women grow their hair back. Let me start by talking about what is Folicrex. You must have tried many hair supplements to treat your hair loss problem by now. Most of these make a poor attempt to stop the hair from falling out and make it grow back. However, Folicrex does things differently. This innovative hair growth supplement treats the symptom, hair loss and baldness, and treats the root cause of your problem, inflammation of the intestine and hair follicles. With its highly effective, natural, safe and non-MOM ingredients, Folicrex promises to get rid of your hair loss problem forever. The mixture works to improve the health of your hair and scalp, strengthening your follicles to grow long, thick and shiny hair. In addition, Folicrex also supports skin and bowel health and improves your overall well-being. How does the Folicrex supplement work? According to the Folicrex makers, hair loss is your body's way of telling you that something is going dangerously wrong within your body. Thus, the only way to effectively deal with the issue of baldness is to treat the root cause of your problem, your deteriorating bowel health. Here is how the Folicrex acts on your body to restore your hair. Step 1. First, high-quality krill oil with more than 28 organic compounds acts directly on the intestine and follicular cells to eliminate inflammation. The powerful omega-3 and omega-6 nutrients quickly prevent hair loss and create healthy hair. Step 2. Once the inflammation of the intestine is cleaned, the scalp cells begin healing and better blood flow, promoting strong hair growth. Step 3. Then your body begins to rejuvenate due to the healing properties of Folicrex. This makes them both look and feel 10 years younger. Step 4. Due to its nutritional ingredients, the supplement supports your gut and nerves health, improving memory and cognitive function. Thus, you are protected against recurrent intestinal inflammation. Step 5. Finally, you get shiny and gorgeous hair and a healthy intestine that is thin and safe from all diseases and microbes. Because of its premium ingredients and rave reviews, it is no surprise that Folicrex is not the cheapest hair loss supplement on the market. However, it is also not very expensive considering the numerous benefits of its formula. Each bottle of Folicrex contains a 1-month supply of the hair growth supplement. With 30 capsules per bottle, the supplement can only be purchased online from the official website of the manufacturer, and to help you, I will leave the official link of Folicrex below in the description of this video. There on the manufacturer's website, you find the supplement for $99. However, once the Folicrex is having a sale now, you can get a bottle of the formula for only $69 each. In addition, you can also save up to $330 by getting the 6-pack for just $264 with free shipping. To enjoy 6 months of delicious, effortless hair. But who is Folicrex destined for? Whether you are a young individual in your 20s or an older adult in your 90s, Folicrex is safe to use for everyone. The formula of this spectacular hair growth supplement is made of natural ingredients that carry almost no side effects. However, Folicrex is not like other common hair growth supplements. In addition to making your hair grow back, this unique product also works to heal your body from within by reducing inflammation of your intestine. And that's not all. Being a holistic supplement, the Folicrex also treats premature aging of the hair. What if you're wondering about when customers can expect to see the results with Folicrex? I'll tell you. The fantastic thing about Folicrex is that it doesn't require a minimum period to start work. Allegedly, the moment you take your first pill, the formula begins to affect your body to remove bad microbiota, bacteria, protozoa, fungi and viruses. Fungi that the body cannot eliminate. This helps to make the hair healthier as soon as possible. However, according to the manufacturer, it takes a few weeks before all your hair is restored to normal. Is Folicrex safe to take for someone with allergies or with other supplements? Folicrex is a unique hair supplement that is safe to take for all individuals. Regardless of your age or any medical condition, everyone can benefit from Folicrex. This completely natural supplement does not carry any potential health risks or side effects. Folicrex formula does not react with medications or diets, making it safe to take at any time. All the ingredients included in the capsules come from legitimate resources and are not GMOs. In addition, Folicrex is manufactured using the latest machinery and technology in an FDA-approved facility, thus always ensuring the highest possible quality. I also think it's important to tell you that Folicrex has a refund policy. If you get dissatisfied with your purchase, you don't have to worry. Folicrex has you covered. With each purchase of the hair supplement, you receive an extended 60-day refund guarantee. So in the unlikely event that you use Folicrex but can't see the results, you can always return your bottle to get a full refund at any time within 60 days. But, is Folicrex the right choice to treat your hair loss? If you want to say goodbye to your weakened hair, Folicrex is your only hope. Judging by the claims made by the manufacturer and online reviews, it's easy to see why Folicrex is better than any other hair growth supplement around. Not only take care of restoring the hair and deal with the early onset of gray hair, but the supplement also addresses the issue of inflammation in your body. By reducing inflammation in the tissues and cells of your intestine, the Folicrex heals you from the inside, so you can keep your hair for years and years. I hope this video helped you get to know what Folicrex is capable of. If you like this video and want to help me, please leave your like and a comment. We accept product suggestions and themes for the next views. Until the next video, bye.